Hola mis amigos. You guys are here if you're in the blue group. So that's Grayson, Anna Grace, Myra, Peyton, Oliviana, Annalise, Reagan, Charlotte, Declan, Violet, Nicholas, Colin, Gwen, Lillian, Christian, Mason, and Raja. Alright, so I know some of you might think this story is easy, but today I'm going to have you read sort of like, whoops, this way. I want to see if you're pointing to the correct word when you're reading, okay? I want you to read this story, which is story 12, right there, see it? And I'm going to show you how, like this, nice and loud, and nobody else is pointing to the words but you. Can we see? Can we see the ant? You and I can see the ant. Can you see the mat? Alright, now remember we read the story in class already, so this should be easy, and then you can also look at the pictures to help you. What am I looking for? I'm trying to see if you know your sight words. I'm trying to see if you're pointing to the words. And that's pretty much it. Just read the whole story. And then I'm going to use this video. I might use it for parent conferences next week. Alright, so do your best job. Alright, bye. Good luck.